How to create a TikTok Lite account. Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for TikTok Lite on the search bar. Then tap on that and you can just install the application on your device by tapping on install. Now as you can see, the app is already installed on my device, so I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of TikTok Lite. Now here in the home page you need to create an account, so you can create an account using your phone, email, or you can continue with Facebook or continue with Google. So I'm just going to tap on continue with Google. Now you just need to select an account that you want to associate TikTok Lite with. Then you need to mention your date of birth, make sure it is accurate. Tap on next. Create your profile name. And after tapping on create a profile name, it will create an account for you on TikTok Lite. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.